Hello everyone, this is your host Nourish Khan, and Pakistan has officially managed to win the high stakes encounter against US. And why was this a high stakes encounter? Because many Pakistanis were having a major deja vu considering the upsetting defeat that Pakistan had to face at Texas against the US in T20 World Cup 2024. And it was an upsetting defeat, and it is for this reason that the US were going in for today's match that was played earlier at Colombo today against the Pakistan. They were going in with full confidence because of the momentum that they had gained after that win that they had clinched against Pakistan in 2024 at Texas. So the match, Salman Ali Agha not being that lucky at the toss today, that's very unusual of him because he usually has a reputation, especially his recent reputation has been the fact that he has won the toss almost always and, has taken the decisions that were necessary. But today he wasn't that lucky at the toss, and US actually won the toss and decided to field first, making full use of the conditions at Colombo, and that was very expected of them. So, Team US, they won the toss, they decided to field first, and Pakistan, of course, had to bat first. And I was very, very happy to see a solid partnership being formed between Babar Azam and Sahib Zada Farhan. Sahib Zada Farhan being the incredible batter that he has actually showcased his potential to the fullest today as he played a scintillating innings of 73 runs of just 41 deliveries with a wonderful strike rate of 178. And it is for this reason that due to his impactful knock, he was awarded the player of the match, and he well and truly deserved that. Babar Azam also managed to put up 46 runs, impactful runs on board, and it was the form that a lot of people had been really looking forward to. Although he still couldn't, secure his 50, but the innings that he played today was incredible and it was actually impactful. Going ahead, Shadab Khan also played with the strike rate of almost 200, and and it's for this reason that that was also an impactful inning. So the batters, they really, put up their A game today. And from the US side, Shadley was the star bowler for Team US as he managed to clinch 4 wickets. And the software engineer at Oracle's everyone's favorite Saurabh Netravalkar, although he managed to bag just 1 wicket, but that was a crucial wicket of Saim Ayub, and he really opened up that bowling spell for Team US, and he really set the tone for wicket taking for Team US. Now, Pakistan put up a total of 190 in the first innings, and that was exceptional considering it was Colombo's pitch that is usually regarded as a pitch that is usually very unpredictable. And US couldn't really chase it down, and Pakistani bowlers, you got to give credit to Salman Ali Agha for his exceptional captaincy, the way he really, experimented with the bowlers. Although towards the start, the power play wasn't utilized that well by the Pakistani bowlers, but going later on into the match, the bowlers were exceptional, and I got to give credit to Usman Tariq for the way he stepped up. He was truly our trump card, and that really showed. He almost would have gotten a hat trick had he not been that unlucky on the hat trick ball. So overall, the news from the center is that Pakistan is going ahead for the game against India on Sunday with full confidence, and let's see if we really, if we really work on those mistakes. And I would really want to see Khwaja Nafi being included in the squad, and I really hope it doesn't get too late before that stand.